Russia rushing through approval of its Sputnik V vaccine after just 2 months of human trials. Chinese drug makers insisting their vaccines will be ready to hit the market by the end of the year. And the White House claiming a COVID-19 vaccination will be available in the United States before the November election, despite experts asserting the contrary.
Well, I think that's unlikely. I mean, the only way you can see that scenario come true is if that there are so many infections in the clinical trial sites that you get an efficacy answer sooner than you would have projected. Like I said, it's not impossible, Judy, but it's unlikely.
The increasingly political nature of the race for a COVID-19 vaccination has turned what was once considered self-evident into a public safety necessity. 9 CEOs of major pharmaceutical companies have issued what they described as an historic pledge to, quote, stand with science. In it, they pledged to prioritize the safety and well-being of vaccinated individuals, adhere to high scientific and ethical standards for clinical trials, only pursue emergency approval after demonstrating safety and efficacy through phase 3 clinical study, and to work to ensure sufficient supplies of vaccine options globally. The statement was that appeasing growing concerns safety measures would be sacrificed to fulfill political objectives. U.S. health officials have already had to backtrack on past emergency authorizations for hydroxychloroquine and convalescent plasma as COVID-19 treatments because of adverse side effects and insufficient data.
Britain's government is banning gathering